In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make an end portal in Minecraft. So better keep watching to the end. Let's get started. First of all, if you're playing a survival game, you just have to find and search for the end portal. But if you are allowing the cheats on your world, you can just type the next comment, which is slash game mode creative, to be a creative like me in your survival world and craft the end portal next to your house or next to your place. So let's craft the portal. Search for end and get the end portal frame and the eye of ender. And that's enough for now. So first of all, stay in the same place and don't move. I just want to give you the easiest way to craft it. Then look forward and build 1, 2, 3 from this side, 1 from this side, another 3 from this side, another 3 from this side, and the last 3 from this side. Make sure that you don't connect them directly like this. Next, go for the eyes and put them with right click in the end portal. The last one right here, and as you can see, we have successfully made the end portal. So let's jump into it. And as you can see, here is the dragon, and you can start killing it with your friends or solo. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing, leave us a like, and thanks for watching.